In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto compact in Claude Code CLI. By the end, you'll have this handy feature turned on so your coding sessions stay efficient and focused. Auto compact helps Claude keep conversations concise by trimming earlier context automatically, which is especially useful during long interactive runs. First, open your terminal. This is the command line window where you type and run commands. Make sure the cursor is active in the terminal so whatever you type goes there. You should see a prompt waiting for input. Next, type Claude and press Enter. This launches the Claude Code command line interface. After a brief moment, you'll see the CLI start up and get ready to accept commands. If you're in the right place, it will look a bit different from your regular shell prompt, indicating you're inside the Claude environment. Now, type /config and press Enter. The slash command opens the configuration panel inside the CLI. This is where various features can be toggled without leaving the session. When the configuration view loads, you'll see a list of settings you can adjust. You'll notice a list of options, and right at the top is Auto Compact. This setting controls whether Claude automatically compacts prior messages to manage the available context. Keeping it enabled helps maintain performance and clarity when conversations get lengthy. Use your keyboard's arrow keys to move the selection if needed. If Auto Compact isn't already highlighted, press the down arrow to select it. Make sure the cursor or highlight bar is on Auto Compact before making any changes, so you're adjusting the correct setting. To enable Auto Compact, press the space bar. Space toggles the value right in place. You'll see the indicator switch immediately, typically changing from disabled to enabled or showing a check mark next to the option. That visual change confirms the value updated successfully. If you accidentally toggle it off, just press space again to switch it back on. Take a second to confirm it's set the way you want before moving on. That's all there is to it. You opened your terminal, launched the Claude CLI with the Claude command, entered the configuration view using config, highlighted the auto compact option, and enabled it with a single press of the space bar. With auto compact turned on, your sessions will stay streamlined and Claude will automatically keep earlier context tight so you can concentrate on the code in front of you. If you're ready, you can continue working right where you left off, now with auto compact quietly doing its job in the background.